Ever wondered how people make real money online just by recommending products they already love? Well, if that's you, you are in exactly the right place. In this explainer, we're going to build a super practical step-by-step blueprint for affiliate marketing. It's designed to take you from knowing absolutely nothing to making your very first sale.
Oh, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? Those screenshots of sales dashboards and payment notifications that pop up on your feed. It's impossible not to see them and think, wait a minute, could I do that too? That little question, that's the spark. And honestly, it's how most of us get pulled into the world of affiliate marketing.
So, what is this thing really? Well, think of yourself as a trusted friend or matchmaker. At its core, affiliate marketing is just about connecting people with products or services that can actually help them. And when they decide to buy something through your special, unique link, you get a commission. It's really that simple. And yes, it is a totally legitimate and powerful way to build an income online.
And let's be clear, this is not some small-time hustle. The affiliate marketing industry is absolutely massive, and it's still growing. It's projected to hit a staggering $15.7 billion by the end of 2024. A number that big tells you one thing: this is the real deal, with incredible potential.
So why is everyone so into this? Well, for starters, it's incredibly cheap and low risk to get started. You don't have to create your own product, you don't have to handle inventory, none of that headache. Even better is the potential for passive income. You create a helpful piece of content once, and it can literally make you money while you sleep. You get the freedom to work from anywhere, and you can scale up by promoting as many different products as you want. Okay, so you see the potential, right? Let's get into the actual blueprint. Section 1 is all about building a strong foundation. I'm telling you, if you get these first two decisions right, you are setting yourself up for success down the road. We're breaking it down into two simple, manageable steps. First, you've got to figure out your corner of the internet. That's your niche. And second, you have to decide where you're going to build your audience and share all your stuff. That's your platform. Now, here's a really key insight about picking a niche. It's not just about what's profitable. It's about finding that sweet spot between something you're genuinely passionate about and a topic where you can solve real problems for people. You know, if you love homebrewing, you could help beginners pick their first kit. That passion is your fuel. It's what will keep you creating content long after that initial excitement wears off. So where are you going to build your audience? Think about your strengths. If you're a great writer, a blog is perfect. You can really dig into SEO and get that long-term search traffic. If you're more comfortable on camera, YouTube is just incredible for building a deep personal connection with viewers. And if you love that fast-paced interaction, social media is awesome for building a community. Here's the secret: the best platform is the one you'll actually enjoy using. All right. With your foundation in place, now it's time for the really exciting part. In Section 2, we're going to dive into finding the perfect products to promote and, just as importantly, how to create content that actually connects with people. Finding programs is way easier than you think. You can literally just start by Googling your niche plus the words affiliate program. You can also join huge networks like Amazon Associates. But here's my favorite tip: just start with the products you already use and genuinely love. Reach out to those brands directly. Your authentic enthusiasm for something you actually use is your most powerful selling tool. Period.
And as you look for programs, you'll see there are kind of two main paths you can take. You can go for the high-paying, low-volume stuff. Think like specialized software, where one sale gets you a huge commission. Or you can go for the low-paying, high-volume programs like Amazon, where you earn less on each sale, but you can make a whole lot more of them. A lot of beginners start with the high-volume stuff just to build some momentum.
So what kind of content actually gets people to buy? The one thing they all have in common is value. Detailed, honest reviews build trust. Comparison guides make it easier for your audience to make a choice. How-to tutorials show the product in action. See the pattern? All of these formats work because they focus on helping the user first, not just selling to them. And if you take one thing away about content, let it be this: your number one job is not to be a salesperson, it's to be a problem solver. Lead with value every single time. When you genuinely help your audience and build that trust, the clicks and the commissions, they'll follow naturally.
Okay, let's talk about the one thing that trips up almost every single beginner: traffic. You can create the most amazing content in the world, but if no one sees it, it just doesn't matter. So in this section, we're going to break down exactly how to get eyes on your work.
Let me be crystal clear about this. Traffic is the lifeblood of your affiliate business. Without a steady stream of visitors, you have nothing.
Your single most important job is to get consistent, targeted traffic to your content. It's that simple.
So how do you get this traffic? Well, here are the most powerful ways. For long-term, passive growth, SEO is king. For building a community and getting quick feedback, nothing beats social media. And for talking directly to your audience, an email list is your most valuable asset. My advice for beginners? Just pick one of these to master first. Don't try to do everything at once.
Here's a powerful little SEO secret that will save you months of frustration. Don't try to rank for some super competitive word like laptops. It's just not going to happen. Instead, target what are called long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific phrases like best lightweight laptop for college students. There's way less competition, and the people searching for that know exactly what they want.
And for social media, please remember the 80-20 rule. Nobody wants to follow a walking advertisement. 80% of your content should just be valuable, entertain, educate, engage. And only then, in that other 20%, should you weave in your product recommendations. It's all about building that trust first.
And when it comes to email, this is a total game changer. See, unlike social media, your email list is an asset that you control. To build it, you've got to give people a good reason to subscribe. So offer a valuable freebie, we call it a lead magnet, like a checklist or a short guide, in exchange for their email. It's the absolute best way to build a direct line to your most engaged audience.
All right, this is the moment we've been building towards. Let's talk about turning all of this hard work, your niche, your content, your traffic, into actual real income.
The best way to think about this is in two simple stages. Your job is only the first stage, getting the click. You are 100% in control of this. The second stage, actually making the sale, that's the merchant's job. Your goal is just to send them a highly interested visitor, making their job as easy as possible. So, how do you maximize those clicks? It's really simple. First, make sure your links fit naturally within the flow of your content. And second, make them stand out. Use things like buttons, tables, or highlighted boxes to draw the reader's eye and tell them exactly where you want them to click.
Now, this might be one of the most important slides of all, because we have to manage expectations. Let's be real, you're probably not going to get rich overnight. Industry data shows the average beginner makes around $600 a month. But look at the potential. The average for all marketers is over $8,000 a month. This just proves that affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. If you stay consistent, the growth potential is absolutely enormous.
So there you have it. You now have the complete blueprint from laying your foundation all the way to your first sale. The only thing left to do is to start. So I'll leave you with this one question. What problem, big or small, are you passionate about solving for your audience? Just start there. If you do that, you're already on the right path.